Welcome back to Hypertune, guys. So in our last episode, I told you that I'm going to be installing the front strut bar, rear tower strut bar and rear anti-roll bar, right? Right, so today's episode, we're going to be focusing on the front strut bar. I'm going to install it right now and I'm going to show you guys the basic techniques of installing it and the advantages of having the front strut bar. Alright, so what you need on a car like mine is a 14mm socket wrench, and you got your bar, and it's a pretty basic setup. You take the screws off the mounts, 1, 2, same for the other side, 1 and 2, and then you unwrap the strut bar. Okay, so once you've got it unwrapped, all you gotta do is put it in place, 1 and 2, and get the screws in. Now you don't want to tighten each one at a time. You're going to want to make them all nice and even. You don't want to cause any issues. It's just going in, that's in. The easiest clue to see if you're putting it in right is as long as the Ultra Racing logo is facing out front. So on first impressions, this is definitely a worth it bar to get because I feel my front end is a lot more planted, especially on hard turn-ins. And I can feel that the steering is slightly more sharper, especially on U-turns. The front end is just so much more responsive and there's so much less body roll on the front end alone. So stay tuned because on the next episode we're going to be installing the rear strut bar. So that coupled with the front strut bar should give us a good idea just how much of an effect the Ultra Racing strut bars has on your car. Stay tuned to Hypertune, guys.